So there are different techniques to drive your bridge. There are dedicated full bridge controller, full bridge MOSFET drivers that comes in market, which can directly drive your all the 4 MOSFETs using single IC. There are half bridge drivers available, which designers can put on each half bridge, and there are dedicated single channel low side gate drivers, which designer can go for. The first scheme of driving your MOSFET bridge is using a full bridge MOSFET driver. To explain a full bridge topology, I am taking an example of a full bridge MOSFET driver, that is SM72295. A full bridge MOSFET driver necessarily have 2 high side MOSFET drivers, 2 low side MOSFET drivers. To drive a high side MOSFET driver, you need a bootstrap diode and bootstrap capacitor to do a voltage translation. In most of the ICs that are available in market, this bootstrap diode comes inside the chip. Here you can see a 100 volt bootstrap diode is already there inside the chip. So it reduces the extra component count, and it also improves the system performance. Apart from these bootstrap diodes, your MOSFET drivers generally do not come with a current sensing amplifier, but for this typical IC, the current sense amplifiers are inside the IC, and you can use this current sense amplifiers to sense the battery charging and discharging current. So this circuit explains the full bridge configuration of your MOSFET driver stage. Here you can see the MOSFET driver is setting over here. Your input, PWM inputs are coming from a microcontroller. It has internal bootstrap diodes, and the bootstrap capacitors are outside. So the high side drives are generated to drive these high side MOSFETs, and low side drivers drive these low side MOSFETs. Your load is connected in between the source of high side MOSFETs, which is generally a transformer in case of low frequency inverters. And the PWM scheme explained in the previous slides is generally done by at a microcontroller side. So your MOSFET driver just translates your voltage from microcontroller's voltage level to the gate voltage level of your MOSFETs, and it provides the sufficient gate driving current in order to